5 of the best knee strengthening exercises. This is what today's routine is. We're going to do it as a 5-minute exercise. This is really about strengthening those muscles around your knees to really look after your knee health. So all you're going to need is a chair. You do not need a cat. And we're going to get to work on that first exercise to strengthen those knees. So let me just show you the first move. If you need longer to get a chair, press pause. We're just going to start with doing these hamstring curls. So that's going to be move number 1. So let's come into position, stand with your feet wide, and now you're going to step 1 foot back for me. So take the foot back, have that supporting knee slightly bent, and now we're just going to do 1 bend through that leg. So we're just working through the hamstring curl on this one. Just keep going on that 1 leg, then we'll change legs halfway through. So why this ranks in the top 5 of knee strengthening exercises, this builds strength in your hamstrings and helps to stabilize through your knees. Just make sure that supporting knee is slightly bent for me, and we're going to take it to the other leg. And on the left, that timer bar that represents approximately 45 seconds for move 1. All right, that's good. And you've got your 5-minute countdown clock on the right. So this one here, just really feel that working through the hamstring. And well done. All right, so we'll have a look at move number 2. Now for this one, we're just going to do calf raises, but if you want to for balance, you can place your hands on the chair, feet a hip width distance apart, and now just come up onto your toes and lower. So we're just going to keep alternating, just keep doing this move, coming up onto the toes and lower down. Doing this one again for 45 seconds. If you want to work a little bit harder, just cross your arms over your chest, then you're really working through your core if you feel comfortable with your balance doing this. So why this ranks in the top 5 knee strengthening exercises, this works your gastrocnemius as well as your soleus, which help with knee function and your ankle stability as well. So just keep coming up onto those toes and lower. That's good. Nice control. And again, that timer bar, you can just see on the left how long you've got to go on each move. And well done. All right, so for move number 3, this time we're going to work your outside of your thighs. So again, using the chair, we're going to stand with your feet hip width distance apart, knees bent, tummies pulled in, and now just lift 1 leg to one side, then take that straight over to the opposite leg. Just keep alternating side to side. So why this is one of the best knee strengthening exercises, this actually strengthens your hips, thighs and glutes, and that helps to reduce pressure in the knees in your daily activities. All right, that's good. So again, just keep that going. You can see there on the left, just that timer bar there. I'm just going to keep going. And you'll really feel that one working through those outer thigh muscles. And these are all body weight exercises, so these are really good and safe on your joints as well. So swing out to the side, that lateral leg lift. All the way till we've done that 45 seconds. All right, just march it out. Now, next move, we're going to come onto the chair. So if you do have a cat on your chair, gently remove your cat. And for this one, we're going to be seated and we're going to just do a leg extension. We're going to do 4 on one leg, then change to 4 to the other leg. So sit nice and tall for me. And now just extend that leg out. 3, let's go 2 and 1. Now change to the opposite leg. Take that 4, 3, 2 and 1. And this one is great because it boosts your knee motion and strengthens your quads, and that's going to really help improve your knee health. So we're just doing sets of 4. So think of it like this, your knee joint, this is working the muscle, the front upper thigh leg here. That's good. And just extend, just doing sets of 4. Extending that leg in front, and this is really going to increase what we call the synovial fluid in your knee joint as well. So we're looking after that knee mobility. So for your final move, move 5, we're just going to come from seated to standing. Make sure your chair is somewhere sturdy. and have your feet hip width distance apart. And now through those heels, just push up, come up to standing, and then sit back down. So really lovely exercise this, and why this ranks in the top 5 knee strengthening exercises. This is going to strengthen your quadriceps, your hamstrings, your glutes, and improving knee stability. And this is just a fantastic exercise. We should all do this every day because it helps with lower body strength and it helps with your mobility and balance. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. So we've got another 30 seconds on this move. And I have got a more detailed blog with 10 tips just throughout your day on ways that you can look after your knee health. I'll leave a link at the end of the video if you want to read that. All right, that's good. Let's just keep going without squashing Princess Raisin. Coming up, just go for doing those sit to stand, and just feel that working through the lower body and just making your knees stronger. Okay, so there is your 5 of the best knee strengthening exercises and a 5-minute routine. Now what you can do, you can rewind to this number and just repeat that again. So you're doing that as a 10-minute routine. Equally, if you're finished today, then just click up here in the description down below for a lovely cool down stretch, and keep looking after your knee health. Your knees are so important, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.